Hi viewers, we are from Railtech Engineering College. Let us see our project demo which had been completed by our batch members. Our project title is Design and Implementation of a Router based on NOC using FPGA. Our internal guide is Mrs. P. Karpagam MTech. External guide is Mr. G. Anand. Our batch members Sangeeta, Logeshwari, Jhansi.
Objective. The main objective of this project work is to design a lightweight parallel router architecture of NOC with XY routing and matrix orbiter instead of round-robin orbiter on a single chip, and it is implemented using FPGA, thereby gaining area and performance. Abstract. In this paper, we are going to implement a parallel router which can support 5 simultaneous routing requests at the same time. The router is embedded on a single chip and the network on chip is executed on a FPGA to analyze the utilization resources such as area, power and delay. Proposed system. The proposed system consists of newly designed parallel router which can support 5 simultaneous routing requests at the same time for implementing NOC on FPGA. Matrix orbitation architecture can be analyzed with FPGA resources. The results shown less delay and low power area, and this utilization can be achieved by proposed system architecture. This shows the detailed routing architecture. This router architecture which supports 5 simultaneous routing requests at the same time, which can reduce the area and power consumption. It has a set of ports to communicate with the logic elements such as local, east, west, north and south. It has 5 input channel and output channel and crossbar switch at the center. These ports receives the incoming packet and forward them into appropriate ports. Buffer are present at various ports to store the packet temporarily. We choose one of the popular method of buffering called forward and store. The main aim is to select the best decoding scheme which can reduce the area and power consumption. Thus, establishment is done automatically without any complex decoding logic. This shows the input channel of the router architecture, and this one is output channel, and finally this one is crossbar switch. Here the routing scheme we used is XY routing.
Let us see about matrix orbiter. Matrix orbiter is most recently served priority stream. Matrix orbiter takes place in the output channel. One of the advantage of matrix orbiter is inexpensive and provides strong fairness when compared to round-robin architecture. Even all input port are requests for same output port. In this situation, matrix orbiter first forms a matrix 5 cross 5. After that, matrix orbiter assigns the priority to all input requests and generate the grand signal. In this paper, we have to analyze about the area and power. The matrix orbiter architecture, the requests are given by the input channel and grant are provided by the output channel. So it is based on lower triangular array and upper triangular array. The bit Wij indicates the I takes the priority over j. For each time the request is granted, clear the row in bit and set in the column bit.